Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this broccoli grinder salad. All right, we have some fresh broccoli cut up a little bit to make smaller bits. We have some banana peppers, onions. I have red and white. And we have our seasonings, which will be listed in the mayo. Let's do that first. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box. These are our seasonings, a little Italian seasoning, a little garlic, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. All the measurements will be in the description box. We're going to use some red wine vinegar. And also some Italian dressing. All right, we're gonna do a tablespoon of your salad dressing. I'm going to use some of our red wine vinegar, also a tablespoon. Excuse the slow motion, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Official Jamia, and we're making a grinder broccoli salad today. Next, you're gonna put your mayonnaise in your bowl. This is a half a cup of mayonnaise. All right, let's get that in there. And next we're gonna put our seasonings into the bowl and get those all whisked together. You're gonna whisk all of that together and get that nicely incorporated. Get all those seasonings mixed in really well. Now you're gonna put your veggies in, your banana peppers and onions into the mixture and give that a good stir. It smells so good, guys. And it tastes even better. I just let my banana pepper juice roll off into the broccoli. You don't have to do that, but I did. Now you're gonna put this on top of your broccoli. Give it a good stir, taste it, and enjoy it. You will see this broccoli featured in my next video. I'm gonna get as much of that goodness out of that bowl as possible. Stir this around. This is a great way to use the grinder recipe on other things. Next time, I think I'm gonna use cucumber. If you need a party salad, this would be perfect, guys. Trust me, it was delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great recipes and fun mukbangs. Thank you for joining me. Bye, guys.